Ooh, I did pretty nails. It's week 3 of eyebrands, so I've been kind of tired, but I grabbed this stuff I have had forever, this So Cute Patty Gel from Long Hair Pretty Nails, and it's got all this pretty shimmer in it, and I don't know, it takes me forever to do my nails lately, but that's how they turned out. And I hope the camera picks up the shininess of these, because they're so pretty. And I know it's very simple design, but like I said, I'm just kind of worn out this week. Today's my last dose of eyebrands, and then I get a week off for breast cancer treatment. So that's that. Isn't it pretty? I really hope that my camera picks this up. I'm so proud of these. It took me forever. So that's one for the nail vlog. Yay. Okay. Anyway, I hope you're having a nice weekend, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye.